Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Today is December 27. Ilang araw na lang, 3 days to go, pipirmahan na po ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. ang 2025 national budget. Na sabi nila, nire-review daw. Okay, speaking of this budget, mayroong open letter pinirmahan ng 193 individuals. Most of them are generals, premier generals. Binilang ko yung nakapirma na generals. Of course, all of them are retired. 112 AFP, PNP, Philippine Coast Guard, generals, admirals. Nagre-reklamo itong mga signatories sa open letter yung budget na hinihiling nila sa Pangulo na ibalik ng Pangulo itong budget na ito sa BICAM. So, it's a very strong letter. Although, maganda yung wordings ng letter, very respectful, but malaman. Okay? So, ito, post ni Tio Moreno. About time na ba? Katapusan na ba ni BBM? Question mark. May similar post na nabasa ko, ganito rin. Si Optic Politics. Title ni Optic Politics is Fiscal Mismanagement, Signs of PBBM Admin Demise. Yung katapusan na rin. Malapit nang, and now the end is near, and so they face the final curtain. Oh, the end is near. Ito, mga opinion, tanong ni Tio Moreno and Optic Politics. Ang basihan nila itong open letter na ito. Basahin ko lang itong sinulat ni Tio Moreno. Look, retired officials and members of the AFP, PNP, uniform personnel, UP Vanguard, civil society groups, civic organization, and concerned Filipino citizens have expressed concern over what they describe as the questionable 2025 proposed national budget passed by Congress. PS, sabi niya, this open letter was shared with SMNI News by one of the signatories of the manifesto. So, iba ito sa mga unang open letter, walang perma. Ito, permado, 193. Kabilang dyan, 112 generals. Okay, so, basahin natin ha. Open letter to President of the Republic of the Philippines. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Office of the President. Ayan, so basta ito. Dear Mr. President, we, the retired and concerned, wag na, basta nabanggit ko na yan. Dito, sabi nila, writing to you, we are concerned of the Republic, are writing to you today to convey our serious concerns regarding the questionable deviations of the approved General Appropriations Bill 2025 from the National Expenditure Program, NAP, that Your Excellency submitted to Congress. These changes are the remarkable upgrades and new items which are unnecessary and which favor less important needs at the expense of the most basic needs of the Filipino people, including the welfare and security of our country. We sincerely request, ito yung sinasabi ko na very respectful naman ang sulat. Kaya lang malaman. Tungkol sa kapalpakan ng Kongreso ito eh. Kasi sila yung nag-approve sa BICAM eh. We sincerely request Your Excellency that the budget be returned to the Bicameral Conference Committee for a thorough, comprehensive, and transparent assessment to ensure that the allocations are consistent with the nation's priorities and address the most pressing needs of the Filipino people. Okay, so isinite nila yung mga tumaas na budget. I-summarize ko na lang kay medyo kwan. Tumaas ang budget ng Senate. Tumaas ang budget ng House of Representatives. Tumaas ang budget ng DPWH. Ito, in-insert ang AKAP funds. Ito ang sinisentro nila, AKAP. Tapos, severe reduction to critical departments. So, nakalagay dito yung mga departments na nabawasan. Upholding fiscal discipline and fiscal sustainability. Ayan. Yan ang mga topics nila. Therefore, ito na yung action. Therefore, we humbly request Your Excellency to facilitate the following. Reject the unfair upward variations and other expenses which are arbitrary and not responsive to the pressing needs of the people. Ensure efficient and prudent fiscal management. Kaya pala, siging ka bitaw ng statement o siging ka publish ng statement si E.S. Bersamin. Sabi niya, the President is prudent in programming and spending resources, limited resources of our country. Ito pala ang demand ng open letter ng mga generals. Number 3, reinstatement of the initial funding for key departments. Ensure that those who have smuggled unrelated items such as AKAP funds are held accountable because they cause the embezzlement of funds that could have been used for more important needs of the people. So, tinatarget nilang AKAP. Ensure transparency and accountability. Then, diniscuss na the National Expenditure Program and Public Trust. The National Expenditure Program is the overall management plan of your administration which aims to achieve equal and balanced development. All these deviations and unjustified allocation being allowed to continue distort the budgetary process and erode public confidence in this government, thus potentially deny you the legacy of a sound and accountable stewardship of nation's resources. We fervently ask for your firm and decisive action, Your Excellency, because that will enhance your fight against corruption and correspondingly promote the public good and the well-being of the Filipino people. Let this national budget be an enduring testament of your government's commitment